Welcome to today's video, guys. So, as you can tell, I'm driving my Cabrio. What you guys didn't see was what went on with the camera off. I actually had some issues. We ended up melting rod bearings to the crank, so we had to fix that. I didn't have much time to do it. I had less than a week to completely pull the motor apart, out, and have it ready. So what I did do, instead of recording it, I just turned around and did it, got it done and over with. And from the last video, what you guys seen, I was putting rod bearings in it. So that was from the previous motor before I turned around and pulled the motor out. I did that because it was easier for me just to get it done. I had less than a week before Cleetus and Cars to get the motor apart and reassembled. So that way, you know, I made it easier for me and not have to worry about it. You guys wouldn't see this video until after Cleetus and Cars. So that's why I said, forget it, I'll just go ahead and not record it and make it work. So I went ahead and did that. So now I'm actually on my first test drive. So far, so good. I don't have any issues as of right now, but I am going very easy with it. I'll post this video, and I want to say probably the day before I leave for Cleetus and Cars. So we'll see how it goes from there, but I will be driving it back and forth to work, making sure it's good to go, making sure it's safe to make the drive. But until then, it's just gonna be scooting around and hoping that everything stays together. Doing pretty good. Cruising. Like I said, I'm not going crazy. I've got no reason to. I just want to make sure the car is safe. I don't want to make this trip get stuck down there. I'm kind of excited to get down there. It's the whole reason why I rushed to get this thing done. But it does have all new rod bearings, all new main bearings. I redid the head, honed out the block, you know, just the normal basic stuff to get it to where it's drivable. So hopefully, with that being said, you know, everything is good, it stays good, and I don't have issues. I do want to apologize in case my videos haven't been too consistent. I do work. This isn't my job. I do have to work my normal 60 hours a week, and it's just my hobby. This is what I like to do. I like to fix them, break them, repeat it, same thing all the time. But it's hard to record and make sure I vlog everything on top of work, you know, time for the family. apologize. My videos aren't the greatest. I'm new to it, but it does take some time to get used to, for sure. And I will get better at it as time goes on. So just bear with me. But on the plus note, I do have some footage coming up for the Rabbit. The Rabbit will be going under a lot of work. I actually have, I'm going on vacation after Cleetus and Cars. So you guys will get footage soon of the Rabbit as soon as I have time to actually get out there and work on it. The Cabrio was my priority for Cleetus and Cars. The Rabbit will be my priority after Cleetus and Cars and after my trip to Florida. I'm actually going to Florida for a family vacation just to get away for a while. Fab wise, I gotta fabricate a bunch of stuff, so once that gets fabricated, I can start moving on to ordering parts and making sure I've got everything I need. Motor and transmission's got to get figured out. I don't even have a transmission or a clutch. I actually had an automatic transmission onto the motor that I have, but we're not going to be keeping it automatic, so I need to go to a 5-speed or a 6-speed or whatever I need to make that thing the way I need it, or want it, I should say. So once everything gets figured out, Cleetus and Cars, I make it down there, I make it home, I have my family vacation, we will for sure have footage for you guys. So far this drive is going pretty good. No issues so far. You know, I do got to raise it up a little bit. I am rubbing. I went over the train tracks and I can definitely feel it. It slowed me down substantially. But I did go with a bigger tire, so I'm not too worried about it. I will be doing some work to this, but not a lot. I don't have the means to work on this car as much as I used to, considering my Rabbit is definitely going to be my go-to fun car, and I cannot wait to get going on that thing. The day it drives down the street, I'm going to enjoy every second of it. For the most part, this thing's doing pretty good. Sounds good. Sounds like a Subaru for some odd reason, but it's running good. You know, the timing was on. I did all the timing. I did, you know, everything the way I was supposed to. So I'm pretty sure the head work that I did do helped it. Just hopefully everything stays good. But I will have this video posted up. It's a little bit of an update. I'm talking a lot. But a 2-minute video ain't gonna do no good. At least 5 minutes better than 2. So I will make sure that I post this video before I leave for Indy. And when we are going down to Indy, guys, we'll get a time lapse of the trip down to Indy. We will be getting some footage of some of the other cars we're rolling with. We are going to make sure that, you know, we get a good amount of footage for you guys to see what exactly we do. You know, when we go to events, we don't go as, you know, oh, we got a lot of money, or we can spend a bunch of money, or we make money off these events. We don't. This is all out of pocket. This is all just having fun. This is what we like to do. So we are going to make sure you guys come along for the ride. We are going to record some stuff down there at the event. We're going to meet Cleetus. I'm pretty sure Jack Stan's going to be there. JH Diesel is going to be there. Kyle from the Boosted Boys will be there. So we will make sure we get some footage for everybody. We're going to get some pictures and whatnot. So we will have the video posted up before we leave, and then when we get back, I have some time. I've got like 2 days to get everything posted up of Cleetus and Cars, so we'll get that done for you guys. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, whether you want to, whatever, doesn't matter, would be nice. But I will keep you guys up to date. Thanks for watching.